Let's talk about something that can change your life: the emergency fund. An emergency fund is money set aside for real emergencies, unexpected, urgent, and necessary expenses. This isn't for vacations or new gadgets, it's your financial bodyguard, standing between you and chaos. When life throws a curveball, like a job loss, medical crisis, or major car repair, your emergency fund keeps you afloat. Don't confuse it with a credit card. Debt is not a safety net. Cash is. Your emergency fund is money you actually have, sitting in a separate account, ready for when you need it most. It's about taking control, breaking the debt cycle, and building security for you and your family. Emergencies aren't shopping sprees, they're things like losing your job, sudden medical bills, or your car breaking down. With an emergency fund, these disasters become manageable problems. Instead of panicking or going into debt, you handle the situation calmly. No sleepless nights, no scrambling for loans. That's financial peace, knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws at you. It's about moving from fear to confidence. Your emergency fund is the first and most important step on your journey to financial security. Start small, but start now. Even a little cushion can make a big difference. Remember, you're building a foundation for your future. Take this step, and you'll never look back. So, why aim for 6 months of expenses in your emergency fund? Because life's biggest emergencies, like losing your job, can take months to recover from. A 6-month cushion gives you time to find the right job, not just any job. It lets you pay your bills, keep your home, and feed your family without panic. Medical emergencies can hit your income and pile on bills at the same time. A 6-month fund is your safety net, letting you focus on what matters most. It's about options and control, making smart decisions, not desperate ones. With this fund, you're not at the mercy of a bad boss or a broken-down car. You're in the driver's seat. It's not just about money, it's about peace of mind. That's why we're passionate about this. Build your fund, and you'll be ready for life's curveballs. Security and confidence are worth every dollar saved. How much do you need? Aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Focus on the basics: food, utilities, shelter, and transportation. List what you spend on groceries, electricity, rent or mortgage, and getting to work. Add up these essentials for your monthly total. Multiply that number by 6. For example, if your essentials cost $2,500 a month, your 6-month goal is $15,000. Don't get overwhelmed by the number. Everyone starts at zero. The key is to have a plan. Break it down into monthly savings goals. The first step is knowing your target. Once you have that, you can start working toward it. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every dollar saved gets you closer to security. Make your goal real and take action. You've got this. You've got your goal. Now let's build your fund. Start with a written zero-based budget. Tell every dollar where to go. Decide how much you can save each month and make it non-negotiable. Open a separate savings account just for emergencies. Keep it out of your regular checking account to avoid temptation. Automate your savings. Set up a transfer right after payday. Pay yourself first, every month. Consistency is key, whether it's $50 or $500 a month. Track your progress and celebrate milestones. Your first $1,000 is huge. Keep saving, keep budgeting, and stay focused. This is how you build real financial security. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Small steps add up fast. Stick with your plan and watch your fund grow. This is the foundation of wealth. Want to reach your goal faster? Play offense and defense with your money. Cut expenses ruthlessly. Ditch cable. Cancel unused subscriptions. Cook at home. Every dollar you save goes straight to your emergency fund. Get the whole family involved. Make saving a team effort. On offense, boost your income. Pick up a side hustle, freelance, or sell unused stuff. Turn clutter into cash with a garage sale or online marketplace. The more you save and earn, the faster you'll hit your goal. Building a 6-month fund takes discipline, but the peace of mind is priceless. Imagine handling any crisis without debt or stress. Don't let fear hold you back. Start today. Make your budget, open your account, and put your first dollar in. You're taking control of your future. This is how you win with money.